What's going on, guys? It's been a hot minute since I've made a video, and trust me, I can explain. So as you can see, I'm back in my old room at my dad's place, and I drove the Supra back, and the reason I drove it back was for this. So this is the downpipe that I have been waiting on for so long. It finally came in, and this weekend, well, this is a Friday night, so I'll be opening this up now on camera, and then tomorrow I'll be installing it. I'm probably just going to make this one video, but for content, I might make it two. And then wait a little bit to release the install video. But this came in, so I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing it. Came all the way in from El Monte, California. So we're going to go ahead and start opening this sucker up and see what kind of condition this sucker is in. Do I even have a knife in here? Of course not. Okay. I like how my stepsister's graduation stuff is still in my old room. Okay, well, just going to use Supra key. Actually, I think I've got a spare key on my other keychain here that I can use. Yes. Bam. Right there. Okay. Now, please note, it is never a good idea to use keys when opening a box. But, in this case, this is a key that has no purpose for anything on my keychain anymore. And is one that I am no longer able to even use. It was a garage key from my mom's apartment complex, but the people that owned it was more like a little building, and it had like 6 spots in it that people could rent out. The owners have since sold the place, and the new owner asked that either every key be returned or destroyed. And of course, when this all went down, I was in Oklahoma at Tulsa for school, for welding school, and my key could not be returned, so the new owner just told my mom to destroy it, but I decided to keep it for moments like this. Holy crap, this tape is, well, did you guys ever order anything oh buddy. Oh, I got a sneak peek. God, this would be so much easier if I was wearing my GoPro head strap. Too bad the battery's dead. Whatever. But we're just gonna, if I can go ahead. See, it's really hard to cut this tape open. No! No! Oh! Oh, dude. I'm so evilly happy right now. Oh, those welds. Oof. Yeah. Man, those are some nice welds, I do have to say. I know the lighting in here sucks, and I do apologize. That's just gonna... a little bit of mismatch right there, but that's not really a big deal. For $200. Flex pipe. Nice. Hell yeah. I am so stoked about this. You have no idea. Alright. Well, it's here. Let me put it up on the bed. My Christmas themed bed. Whatever. Throw that over there. Screw it. here it is. I couldn't be happier. I legitimately couldn't be happier. I'm so stoked. It's just, I have no words. I legitimately have no words. So this is supposed to bolt right up to the CT26 turbo on the stock Mark IIIs. The only thing that I don't know about is if this bolts to the stock exhaust. What continues on for the rest of the exhaust. That will be something I will have to look at tomorrow, because it is 8:22 right now, and frankly, I have no time to do this right now. As you know, winter is on its way again, sadly, so the days with the car driving are numbered, unfortunately. I will be parking it here. Well, the shed is outside, but you get the idea. It'll be parked here for the winter time, and then whenever it starts warming back up again, then I'll start it up again and start driving it for the spring, summer, and into the fall. But this is going to make a really good addition to everything, I think. I don't know why the camera is being so jerky. I really hope that doesn't show up in post. But yeah, so here it is. My new downpipe. So hopefully this will make the Supra sound a little throatier out the exhaust, and it will also raise my boost a little bit, and hopefully throttle response some, because this will allow the turbo to spool up a little faster. So we'll see how that all works. Again, I apologize if the camera is being very jerky. I don't really know why it's doing that. I'm using my phone right now because the GoPro is in there, and I don't think it's charged. So I'm going to charge that tonight, so it's ready to go for tomorrow for the install of this. And I got a head strap that I will use so you guys can see exactly how to do this, because I have no idea how to install this thing, but I'm going to learn, and I'll be wearing the GoPro head strap while I do it. So, that being said, thank you guys for this. I've been waiting for this for a long time, and I'm honestly really excited to get this thing. Now that it's open, I can throw this box in the garbage. I can go to bed and wake up tomorrow happy as ever. Put the car up on ramps and start taking the exhaust apart to put this thing on. It is going to sound great. Being that it's just a downpipe, it's not a full straight pipe yet. I don't think it's going to change the sound too much. However, I know it's probably going to get just a little bit louder, and that's really what I'm looking for right now. Also a little bit more throttle response too, which the intake actually helped with a little bit. But this should clear up a little bit more of the exhaust side as far as flow goes, and I'm really excited for it. I can't wait to see how this thing sounds. I'm pumped. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If this video is over, then I will talk to you guys tomorrow when we go to install this thing, and I will show you how to do it step by step. So if you ever get a downpipe like this, then you'll know how to do it too. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will either see you tomorrow, or I'll just fast forward and I'll have the install video next right after this clip, or I'll just end it here for content purposes, you know, because I need videos. So, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.